morning, and welcome to Walking in Circles with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Walking in Circles is all about reaching your goals one step at a time and realizing that breaking down your goals into the small steps is what's going to get you there. So I like to do my warm-up with you and just do a little quarter mile, which is step number one in reaching a fitness goal on Monday mornings. However, I do want to talk about a huge looming goal that I have in my life right now. We need to move, and we have set the goal. I mean, goals are so important because it gives you something to aim for. If you're not aiming for anything, you're going to miss every time, right? So we've set our goal to be out of our place by April 1st. And we have no idea if that's realistic or not, but at least it gives us a goal, something to reach for. In order to reach that goal, however, that means I need to start packing right now. So this is how I'm going to break it down. One step at a time, just like my quarter mile. I will, of course, divide my home into each room. Okay, no, step number one is pull down the boxes and check the condition of them. We have all of our boxes from when we moved to Florida, which is a lot of boxes. But they're going to come in handy as long as the condition is good. So step number one, check the condition of the boxes. And then step number two is divide the home into rooms. And then I'll pack according to, the things we use on a regular basis. So, of course, if I start in the kitchen, then I'm going to pack the things I don't use on a everyday basis. Then each room will get numbered, and that way when we move, hopefully the boxes can be put into the correct room, and then I can open them in the opposite direction. So if I have 6 boxes for the kitchen, I'll start with number 6 and work my way to number 1. That way I get the things I need right away. Of course, I will also label the boxes so I know exactly what's in there. So that's the plan. Here's also the plan. If I come across things that I have not touched in 5 years since I moved here, guess what? It's going to go. It is going away, because what is the point of moving possessions that I do not use? So, of course, I love the thought of, if it is not useful or beautiful in your home, then get rid of it. So those are the criteria I'm going to go through as I pack. Now, I know I've seen it many times that, oftentimes we have to pack under duress. You have a deadline. And so what I see often is that people pack things that they know they don't want. They know they don't need, but they say, oh, I want to sell it in a garage sale, or I want to give it away. Of course, you don't have time to do it right then and there. So you're packing things you don't want, which is a waste of your energy. I promise you it's a waste. Because then you get to your new place and you're like, oh, I have all this garbage that I still don't want, and you have to deal with it again. So just let it go. Even if it's something you want to sell at a garage sale, just let it go, because you have got to put a qualifier on your energy. You have to put a monetary value on the amount of energy that it takes to think about this item that you don't even want, to wrap it and put it in a box, to label it, to have somebody move it with their own energy. And then it's in your new place, and you open your box, and guess what? Oh my goodness, the emotions all over again. I don't want this thing. I don't like this thing. This thing serves no purpose. It's not even beautiful. But then you have to get rid of it, and you can't because you got boxes everywhere. So I'm just here to encourage you, even if you're not moving. If you see something in your home that is not useful or beautiful, you don't love it, and you don't use it, then just get rid of it. Just do it. I know for me, sometimes I will kind of pass judgment on an item in my brain. Got to wait for it to get to your heart, and then you have to like have the conversation with anyone else in the home. It's like, hey, I'm thinking about getting rid of this. Is that okay with you? Sometimes that process takes a while, but when you finally do get rid of it, oh, it feels so good. It feels so good. I love to pull up to Goodwill like every day. Open my trunk and say, take this. Have fun. It is out of my life. And someone else will pay a little money. They'll bring it into their home and they'll enjoy it. And, okay, I could have made $2 at a yard sale. But my time is worth way more than $2 with all the energy involved in a yard sale. I'm just saying, for me. I also can't have a yard sale where I live, so there's that. So, this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, encouraging you that whatever goal is looming on the horizon for you, whether it be large or small, just break it down into the next actionable step. So my step today is look at the boxes, bring them down, and I'm going to draw a map too of my house. I'm going to color code it, and then I'll just do a little bit every day. So I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope this inspires you to move forward with your goals one step at a time, 1/4 mile at a time, and I hope like hearing these birds brings a little joy in your life. This is a little cardinal. He's so sweet. Sweet. Have a great day.